Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome back again now to the podium none other than Ana Fefita Ortai. Her next song this evening is entitled Loca Saliva, which means the silver locket. This is a composition of Her Late Majesty Queen Salote Tupou III, who wrote this song as a composition for the noble male who became her Prince Consort, Tungi Mailafihi. This song sings of her in Tongan traditional Tongan metaphors and poetry, expressing her love for Prince Tungi Mailafihi. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a warm welcome to Ana Fefita Ortai with her rendition of Loca Saliva, the Silver Locket. Musical talent there, Ana Fefita Ortai, and her beautiful classic rendition of Loca Saliva.